Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Are you tired of a cluttered kitchen filled with a different pan for every single cooking task? Do you dream of a single, versatile piece of cookware that can handle everything from searing a steak to baking a cake and even steaming delicate vegetables? Well, today we're diving deep into a product that promises to be just that, the Deep Square 9.5-inch Nonstick Copper Pan Chef 5-piece set. This isn't just a frying pan, it's marketed as an all-in-one kitchen miracle, and we're here to put those claims to the test. Let's start with what this set is designed to do. According to the marketing, this Pottella pan is meant to replace your baking dish, roasting pan, rice cooker, steamer, stock pot and wok. That's a pretty bold statement. It claims to be able to bake, fry, broil, sauté, steam, and braise. The idea is that this single square pan can be your go-to for almost any recipe you can think of. We'll be exploring if it truly lives up to this all-in-one ambition. A key feature that's heavily promoted is the ceramic tech non-stick coating surface. The benefit here is supposed to be effortless food release, meaning your food shouldn't stick, and cleanup should be a breeze. It also suggests you can cook without the need for butter or oil, which is a great selling point for those looking to reduce their fat intake or simply want healthier cooking options. They also mention it's heat resistant up to 800 degrees, which is remarkably high, and it's advertised as both oven and dishwasher safe. These are crucial practical considerations for any piece of cookware. The construction of the Pottella pan is detailed as a 5-layer system. This is designed to optimize its performance. You have a double layer of polished ceramic coating, followed by a base layer of non-stick ceramic coating. Then comes the aluminum core, which is essential for good thermal conductivity and ensuring heat is distributed evenly across the pan's surface. An outer layer of high-temperature exterior coating is there for durability, and finally, a stainless steel induction base makes it compatible with induction cooktops, while also aiding in faster heating and heat retention. This multi-layer approach is intended to provide a balance of non-stick properties, even heating, and robust build quality. Now, let's talk about what you actually get in the box. The set includes the 9.5-inch square pan, which has a capacity of 4.5 quarts. This is a good size for many family meals. It comes with a tempered glass lid, which is fantastic for monitoring your cooking progress without lifting the lid and losing heat. Also included are a fry basket, which allows you to air fry or drain excess oil when frying, and a steamer rack, expanding its versatility for healthy cooking. As a bonus, you receive the Pottella World Cuisine recipe book, filled with international and cultural dishes, aiming to inspire you to use the pan in new and exciting ways. So, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. On the plus side, the promise of an all-in-one pan is incredibly appealing. The inclusion of a fry basket and steamer rack significantly boosts its functionality beyond just a regular frying pan. The 5-layer construction suggests good heat distribution and durability, and the high heat resistance is impressive. The non-stick surface, if it performs as advertised, would make cooking and cleaning much more enjoyable. And the recipe book is a nice touch for encouraging exploration. However, there are also potential drawbacks to consider. The claim of replacing so many different types of cookware is a very high bar to clear. While it can perform many functions, it might not excel at all of them as well as specialized tools. For instance, will it truly deep fry like a dedicated deep fryer, or bake as evenly as a standard baking pan? The effectiveness of the non-stick coating can vary over time and with use, and while it's oven and dishwasher safe, repeated high-heat use or harsh dishwasher cycles can sometimes degrade non-stick surfaces. We would need to see long-term testing to confirm its longevity. Also, while the marketing is enthusiastic, it's important to remember that the true performance in a real kitchen environment is what matters most. In conclusion, the Deep Square 9.5-inch Non-Stick Copper Pan Chef 5-piece set, or Pottella as it's called, presents itself as a revolutionary kitchen solution. Its ambition to be an all-in-one pan, coupled with its multi-layered construction and included accessories, makes it a very attractive proposition for those seeking to simplify their kitchen and expand their cooking repertoire. Whether it fully delivers on all its promises remains to be seen, but the potential for versatility and convenience is definitely there. Link in the description.